Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you in my Erin Condren vertical planner the newest printables that I have up in the shop. It's a new thing. This is well, the only one I have in the shop right now, but I do plan to add more. I just wanted to see how you guys like these and if you like the setup and what kinds of things that you might like to see different. But I did a budget one. So this is the budget version. When you download the printable, you get all the versions. So you'll get, and this is the whole thing is together. So the monthly page is together and the notes pages are it's all one download. This is just kind of like a fun page to kind of play around with that big old empty one on the side with the grid. Here's the monthly. And then this was just a couple things that I'm going to use while I'm showing you my little setup here, but those came in the Black Friday box, which there's still a couple left. So, and it all matches a weekly kit, which is also brand new to the shop, and it is available during the Black Friday sale. You get this for 40% off. So if you like this as well, this artwork is super cute. I'm going to do a plan with me using the Happy Planner version of this, but here's all the pages to the new kit and the new, kind of like the new way I'm going to set them up from now on, because I really like this layout better than my last layout. There's all your icons, and I have a few like scripts on here where it's like the Dear Santa, I can explain, do not open until Christmas. You got your notes page. So this is the Erin Condren version, but there's also a Happy Planner version of this and a horizontal kit. So now I'm just going to kind of speed through and just show you just kind of a fun way that I set up this big old blank page, because I love decorating my planners, love it, but there's always like, I never know what to do with these pages, so I decided to make them functional, and stickers are the best way for me to decorate and make things functional. So I'm just going to use this one kind of like, since it's for December, I'm going to use it to just do my holiday list, my shopping list. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do the meal plan or not. I've got a goals section. There's also a budget circle on there, so if you want to tie it in with page 2 of the notes section, where you can see on the side there that other page is totally all budget. There's another version of that page, if you go on the Etsy shop and look, that's blank. So you do not have to have a budget page right there. You can have it just totally blank. And then on the side, instead of there being like budget scripts, there's like family-oriented, household-oriented scripts. So you get them all. You get everything in the download. So you have your choices of what you want. But this is basically the budget one. So if you want to use this for that, you've got it here. And then there's so much extra left over. It works great with the monthly kit, because then you can kind of go and put the scripts into the monthly, kind of carry it over into the weekly. And then if you get the weekly kit that matches all of this, then you know you can just use it all the way through. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you this. I think it came out really cute. I like how this little budget section is. I've got a little bit of deco on here just to kind of make it cuter. And now I'm going to put together the monthly section of it. So this is going to be a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you what I was thinking about doing from now on. So every month the plan will be to put one of these in the shop for that month. So this is for December. There'll be one up for January, February, etc. And it will have this same type of layout where you'll get the monthly and the notes pages with a budget section and like a family section, and I'll pick one of the artworks that I really, really love from that month just to kind of tie it all together with one of the weekly kits. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like this. And for the monthly, I'm going to use that Christmas countdown, so I decided not to use any of the lined boxes that I have in my kit there, but I am going to use the Christmas countdown because I think the stickers are absolutely adorable, and I wanted to put them all. I'm not going to make you sit through all of them, but so I used that. And then the other part of the Black Friday box, there was, with your monthly kit came this, which is a rose gold scripts and icons. So I'm going to put the work stickers down on this page just because that's really all I'm going to use this page for, is so that I know what days I have off and if we actually go on vacation or not. So that's pretty much it. I've got all of this left over, which I can totally use during the week. So I'm actually going to be doing this week right here with that kit. So stay tuned for that one. That'll be the next video that I put up. I'm going to try to do this on stories. We'll see how it goes. Hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.